Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to repost a video on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So TikTok's repost feature is a quick way to share any video you find with your friends and followers. Similar to other social media websites, instead of claiming ownership of the content by publishing it on your account, you can simply relay it to your followers through your account by using the repost feature. So let me show you how to do this. So you want to first open up TikTok and you want to scroll through the videos. Now once you find the video which you want to post to your followers, tap on the share icon here at the bottom right. Now here on the first line, you're looking for the repost icon, which looks like this. It's got two arrows going the opposite way, up and down, and it's a yellow color. So go ahead and tap on that. Once you do this, you'll see this message here. You have reposted this video. Now this video will be shared with your friends and followers. And there you go. That is how to repost a video on TikTok to your friends and followers. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.